Why aren't more people talking about heart sounds? These four can make or break your diagnosis skills. First up, S1, the classic lub. This sound happens when the mitral and tricuspid valves snap shut. Think of it as the start of your heart's pumping action. Next, S2, the dub. This one marks the closure of the aortic and pulmonic valves. It's the end of that heartbeat cycle. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about S3, or the ventricular gallop. It's like a triple rhythm and can signal heart failure. Pay close attention to this one. And finally, S4, the atrial gallop. It's a rare sound and often shows up in cases of a stiff left ventricle. Think hypertension or aortic stenosis. There you have it. S1 to S4 in a nutshell. Keep practicing and you'll be diagnosing like a pro in no time. Stay tuned for more quick med tips.